Selamat sejahtera and hi, my name is Jun Lin Jaji. In this experiment, specimens used for single layer type are Duratec, PMMA, PVC, and nylon. To start this experiment, first we need to measure and record all specimen dimension by using a ruler and write down the dimension into the table. Then open the valve to a fully open condition. And open the pipe, which is the water supply, to a 30% to 40% opening. Next, open the door clip. The first specimen, which is Duratec, was then inserted into the unit. And the pressing spindle was used to clamp the specimen with the heating plate. Turn on the power supply and set the temperature to 45 Celsius. Then, we need to wait for 10 minutes to stabilize before we can collect the data of heat flux, hot plate temperature, and cold plate temperature.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakar bin Muhammad Riza. My number matrix is AA200477. So after we leave it for 10 minutes for the machine to stabilize, we need to record the hot plate temperature, cold plate temperature, and also heat flux value in the table given. So before we change the material, we need to make sure that we turn off the heater first. For safety measure, we need to make sure that we always wear gloves before we change the material. So we need to release the clamp. After that, we need to open the door to change the material. So in this part, we see that we change the material from Duratec to PMMA, and then we need to close the door and also start to clamp the heating plate, and then we turn on the heater. So the process will be repeated for another material, PVC and also nylon, for single layer type of specimen.
Hello, my name is Martin and my matrix number is AA200171. So before starts the multiple layer experiment, we need to take out the specimen before first. After wearing the gloves, turn off the switch, bring up the pressing spindle. Then open the door of unit. Take out the specimen before. Insert the Duratec and PMMA specimens together into the unit. Then close the door and clamp them by the heating plate. Turn on again the heater and wait for 10 minutes. Experiment is then repeated by using the PMMA and PVC specimens.
Record the hot plate, cool plate temperature and heat flux when it's stable. Switch off the apparatus. Open up the frame and move out the specimen using the glove. Finally, switch off the pipe, valve and switch.